Hey there guys, today we're working on the Mclaren P1 now that we have the sandblaster up and ready to go. So, it's about goddamn time. It really is about goddamn time because this car, it's been far too long. And I apologise for the length it's took to focus on these models again. But I'm really excited because we have a load of videos coming out for these models. But yeah, and I have a few new models to introduce to you. I know a lot of you like the P1. I know a lot of you like the R8 design that I'm working on. There'll be pictures of them to remind you on what they look like. Yeah, so this is going to be another video. And I know some of you also like the Bugatti Chiron. So obviously this one doesn't have wing mirrors, but I have a plan to counteract that when the 3D printer comes in. Without further ado, let's get to sanding this baby. So the Mclaren P1, we've done the first layer of the purple. I may need to get more of this shade, just this once. Because I am making the transition to airbrush paint because this is purely toxic for the flat that I'm in. I'm more concerned about the neighbours. But anyway, so we're waiting for that to dry. Then we'll do the front part, which is this pink right here, which is going in the front. So yeah, stay tuned. Let's get back to work.